Hey fam, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network. I have my special master play for you guys. If you are suffering from having high credit card utilization and you need to get that under control, and you want to rock with a bank that's alternative to Navy Federal, say you cannot get into Navy Federal, but you want to rock with another bank that has similar products or products that are maybe even superior to Navy Federal's products out there. I'm going to be going over my top bank for that. They also offer something called a secured loan. We also term it in the Navy Federal world as the pledge loan. You can actually, yes, do a pledge loan play or pledge loan hack with this bank. So let's go ahead on and get into it. If this is your first time coming, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can know when I'm going to launch my next one. But without further ado, I want to earn it from you. So let me go ahead and talk to you guys about this play. Now, this is the master play. Here it goes. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get yourself a loan. Okay? Try to get yourself a personal loan. Now, when you get your personal loan, it can come from anywhere. It does not really matter. I don't even care if it really has high interest. Just get the loan. A loan company that I like to rock with is BHG. This is a company that will give you very high limits to start off with, but you could take this loan and then what you're going to do is go open a bank account with a company called DCU. DCU offers a great product which is similar to Navy Federal's pledge loan. It's just basically a secured loan. But what you can do with this loan is you're going to take your loan that you got from BHG, you're going to put it into your savings account, the new savings account that you just opened up with DCU, and then they're going to take that money and you're going to use it as collateral. So you're going to put it and get a secured loan off of it. Now, when you get that secured loan, the great thing about this is that you can pay down 90 to 95% back off of that loan. Now, what that's going to do for you is that the money that you pay back for that secured loan that they use for collateral, they're going to give you that money back, that principal money back, so you can do whatever you want to do with it. And in this instance, we're keeping some of the money in there and we're putting it on a payment plan, right? Over the course of 1 year, 2 years, the longer the term, the better, but you want to have very minimal payments because you paid off 90 to 95% of that loan. What that's going to do for you guys is that is going to get another trade line reported on your credit report. It's actually going to be an installment loan. So it's going to help the mix of your credit profile, which is going to help you boost your credit score. So this is a way that you can actually get an installment loan on your account reporting. The higher the loan that you can get, the better. Let's say you can get a $20,000 loan from the company and you pay back 90% of that money. You're going to get all that money back, or even 95%. They're going to give you all that money back within like a week, right? Now that you have that money back, you can do one of two things. You can actually pay down your credit cards, or you can go pay back that personal loan. If you're just using it to get a trade line on your account, then I recommend you go back and pay that 95% of that personal loan that you took from BHG back, and then keep your trade line going and just making the minimum payments on that, so that that's reporting on your credit profile. If you have something like a $20,000 personal loan on there, or anything $10,000 above, it's going to look really good on your credit report, right? So that is a huge benefit. Now, if you have those high credit card utilization going on, you can actually take that 95% that you got back and pay down your credit cards. That is going to boost your credit score up super high because you've paid down your utilization and you've put another positive trade line on your credit report. Then you're going to be able to qualify for some better lending terms from a traditional bank or a bank that offers better terms. Like DCU, you could even go back to DCU and get a better loan. And then you're going to take that loan and pay down your BHG. Now, that is a lot that I just uncovered there, you guys. So I do understand that it's kind of difficult to understand. I do have this play that I ran with Navy Federal. Inside of the playlist, you guys can find that. It's the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Hack. And basically, it is what I just described, but it goes a little bit deeper into it. I wanted to give you guys an alternative bank because a lot of people were telling me, hey, I can't qualify to get into Navy Federal. I don't know anybody in the military. I wasn't in the military, so I can't really get in. So is there any other banks that you know about? Well, this is one other bank. Actually, I have about 50 other ones I'm going to go into and talking to you guys about. But this is one I definitively know will allow you to get the principal money back after you pay back that loan and keep it reporting on your credit report. That is huge, you guys. So that is one of the reasons why we loved rocking with Navy Federal so much, because this was such a great play. And then what it does, it helps you boost up your credit profile. And now the banks see that you have this large trade line on your account, and then you're going to be able to go get more funding and more lending because other banks are going to trust you. And this is a way to build out your score with DCU because they're going to see that you've invested in them. You're going to go and get their checking account. You're going to get their savings account. You're going to even get one of their secured credit cards if you can, or if that is something that you want to do. If you're in the rebuilding phase, that's what I recommend. If you're not in the rebuilding phase, then I don't recommend you get a secured card. You just keep the secured loan on your profile, right? And then later on, after we've paid down our credit card debt, and then after you've paid back your BHG loan that I recommended you have, then you can go back to DCU and apply for one of their loan products, which is going to give you lower interest. And they're going to see that you are a bank, you are a client that is rocking with them because you have all of their products. So that is what you're going to have to do, you guys, in 2024. You are going to have to build out these relationships with these banks. No longer is it hit it and quit it and out. You are going to have to actually wine and dine with these banks. These banks want to see that you have a relationship with them. They are competing for you. So this is one way that you can show them that you're rocking with them. Get all the products that you possibly can with them. And nobody gets denied for a secured loan. So this is a great way that you can actually get one extra product that the bank is offering on your credit profile. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. And just so you know, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're growing this channel. It is actually growing really fast. We're at 2.75 thousand subscribers right now in the course of like 4 or 5 months. So thank you guys for rocking with me. If you want more information like this, join our free school group community. I'm going to be dropping more gems, and I'm actually going to have a list of all the different secured loans that we like to rock with inside of my school group community. So go join us over there if you're interested. The link will be in the description below. And once again, check us out for our next video by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.